Welcome everybody to this new video into TechSpress, and today's tutorial is addressing a crucial aspect of your store: speeding up your store. So I'm Steven, guys, and welcome to a guide on how to boost your Shopify store speeding without diving into the complex coding. So there's a few things that we can do here. Now stick around here. The very first thing is to understand the importance of the speed. Now the graphics, the illustrating the impact of speed into you first experience and conversion rates are strongly crucial when it comes to get started with your actual store. Now with these new sections of your socials, what people are actually aiming for is for fast stuff. The more faster they get the stuff, the better. So when they're looking into Amazon, into eBay, when they buy a product, they want to get this as fast as they can. And when they are diving into Amazon, when they're driving into eBay.com, what they actually aiming for is to find a product as fast as they can. That's the reason why today we wanted to focus into speeding up the optimization with known coding. So let's get into the actionable tips. I'll walk you through known coding methods to enhance your store speed. So first of all, if you don't have any code skills, you don't have to worry about this because these tips are beginner friendly and high effective. So first of all, let's know that the Shopify settings. Now here, what I wanted to do is to go directly here into the Shopify store. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so we can all get started totally for free. Now they do know that Shopify itself offers settings to boost your store speed. So let's explore this together. Let's navigate through the Shopify settings into our dashboard. I'm going to click here into settings. Now, maximizing the bold end features is enough, and I would look to put more powerful way to optimize your store. The very first thing I wanted to do is to make sure that here into my store details, I have a really fast and strong store details, the store name, the store phone, the store email, and the billing information. Now, something that can be really helping you is to adding the time zone and the units of measurement. This is going to be used to calculate product prices, shipping weights, and order times, and automatically fulfill it as you are moving on. Next thing first, what I want to do is to now focus into the brand. Inside the brand, what you want to do is to fill as much information as you can, speaking about cover images, slogan, show description, social links, everything that needed to be in order with a really great recommendation of the actual product. For example, here into the logos, it's going to be asking you to add a PNG file recommended with a 512 pixels minimum. So what you want to do is to add this minimum of this actual size and just leave it like that, because that's the reason why the recommended size of the cover image is 1920 by 10 pixels maximum, for example. So what you want to do is to make sure that you have exactly the same, so your store might be speeded up a little bit much more faster, just a little bit more faster. So now let's go into save. Now moving on here, let's go into apps and sales channel. Inside the apps and sales channel, what you want to do is to focus into the Shopify app store. Now here, what I want to do is to here type into the search apps, guides, and more. Inside here, what you wanted to do is to look out for Booster. Now Booster is a really great page speed optimization. You can add whatever application you want to. There's a lot of really great tips, examples, recommended applications you can add totally for free, but you want to make sure with 3 different things. And for that, let's click here into the Booster. Number 2, this one has a really strong rating. And number 3 is totally for free. Now, usually there's a lot of applications that are totally for free, but usually they have, let's say, for example, like a free trial for 14 days, 30 days. You want to focus like that. We want to focus only into the free version. If you wanted to pay for an application, make sure that this application is actually really strong and useful. Now, here we are into the Booster application. Since this is totally for free, there's a lot of things where you can get started later on. But today, let's focus into the free versions, into the free stuff that can help us to increase and speed up our page. So let's go here and to improve the speed of your conversion by switching this into on. So let's go here and to continue. So once again, there's a free version, but there's a paid version of Booster apps. But this one is a really great application. So you wanted to find out first of all with the free version. If you wanted to try out with the paid version, that's totally optional. So let's go here and to preview your store to test the apps. So as you can see, here's my store. I wanted to focus here, click into a product. As you can see, it's coming really fast. Now this one took a little bit more time when I choose another product. and check how my actual image appears. So it might be taking their time. So you want to make sure that you have really strong and speed up store. So now let's go back. Now let's go. Does everything look so far? Let's say, for example, yes. Now your store is now loading faster. There's no other configuration needed. So that's the reason why you wanted to use the Booster's page speed optimizer. How does the Booster application works? Well, usually what they actually do is to convert your images into a little bit much more faster and compressed, having exactly the same resolution, but compressing your information to make your website appears much more faster. So as you can see, my website is appearing so much more faster than it was before. So that's the reason why we actually use the page optimizer. Now, lastly, I'm going to head back, of course, into my Shopify App Store and look out for another speeder optimizer. So let's go here for speed only. Now here into the speed, it's going to be showing you once again a lot of applications. What you wanted to do is to look out for another one that can be helping you with the actual optimizer. Looking for an actual application that can be helping you with a smart SEO not only helps you to improve rankings, drive more organic traffic, and boost some sales, but it also helps you to speed a little bit more your actual page. Once again, you wanted to make sure that you have an actual developer or totally for free and not a free trial version, because otherwise it just won't work after the 7 days. So if you want to try the free version, stick around with the free version, not for exactly like a free trial boost. Yoast CEO, for example, is a really great application that can be helping you with the CEO for the store. Yes, this has a paid version, but I believe it's really strongly worthy to try out this great application of the Yoast of the CEO. These are two applications that I can totally suggest you. One of them are totally free, the other one has a CEO and has a paid version, but is really and truly worthy. So guys, that's how we can improve our actual store using really great applications. There you have it, a beginner-friendly guide to turbocharging your Shopify store speed. Fast website leads to happy customers and better rankings. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify insight, drop any questions in the comments. Your fast store awaits. I will catch you guys into the next tutorial. Remember, you have the link down below in the description to get started with a really great Shopify store and a huge deal. See you guys next time.